Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing great and moving ahead with our new lives after and lockdown 2.0. I am Raj Nandini Vyas, digital marketer by profession and a proud alumni of very own institute. Today, I'm back with our another interesting session of our webinar series. Today's speaker is extremely enthusiastic personality with 15 years of experience in the industry. He heads the team of regions like Chandigarh, Jaipur, and Delhi in Godrej Security Solutions B2C department. He is also an avid traveler and love to explore different countries. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take an immense pleasure to welcome our fellow alumni, Mr. Praveen Chaudhary. Over to you, Praveen sir. The floor is all yours.
So, thank you, Rajanandani, for the fantastic opening that you have given me. I guess it was required. I'm infiltrating quite a few people Sunday, and that too in the morning. So, I hope everybody is fit and fine. Again, be safe, take care. COVID situation है, unlock 2.0 आ चुका है, तो there's nothing to worry about it. So, आई गेस सबने ब्रेकफास्ट किया है क्योंकि सेशन बहुत लंबा करने वाला हूँ मैं, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. Jokes apart, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present myself and whatever I have learned during this 15 years of experience. So I'll be starting off the presentation, and first of all, let me welcome all of the students and the alumni to the family. So going ahead, if you see, I am from 2004-2006 batch, and it was the fourth batch of the college. So all the guys who will be, joining the college as soon as everything resumes, and be attending. You all will be seeing the college building was erected in front of us. So among the first one, we are among the first ones, to had the privilege of that building, and it's a beautiful building. So coming down towards my work ex, close to 15 years of experience and currently handling security solutions profile in B2C. What is B2C? B2C is basically business to customers. So I handle retail channel, right from distribution to retail to all the institution inquiries and everything. So what is Godrej Security Solutions? तो आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा सिक्योरिटीज, फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी, म्यूचुअल फंड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. नो, वी आर इनटू फिजिकल सिक्योरिटीज. गोदरेज का नाम आते ही सबसे पहले दिमाग में क्या आता है? We all link ourselves to those big almiras, heavy almiras. Quite a few people must have been having that in their homes. अभी भी मतलब 40-50 years के बाद भी those almiras are functioning. So I handle security solutions group, wherein we provide physical as well as electronic security. What is physical security? Physical securities covers all those safes, CCTV cameras, alarm systems, and everything. So I handle majorly North region, that is Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, and Delhi NCR. So these are the regions that I'm currently handling with. Coming down to COVID, we have entered a new phase called health security now. So we have already started launching products which are related to health, like UV boxes, thermal cameras, and everything. So I won't bore you all with all those product. I'm not here to give product training or anything. So going ahead, what do I do basically? So as already said, I manage 3 branches, that is Rajasthan, Delhi, NCR, and Chandigarh, with total team size of 15. This 15 are my internal team size. If I go to external team size, like all the distributors and persons working under them, the total size would be somewhere around 60-65 people. What I do is I handle distribution channel management. So I won't be touching this producer part. Distributor, retailer, MTO, COCO, and consumers. I'll be briefing on these 3 major regions. So I'm not a professor or anything. So जो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है 5P, प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्लेस, प्रमोशन, and the fifth one most important is people. So directly, indirectly, I'll be touching all these four aspects of the management. So distributor, the first and foremost thing of this retail channel. What is this retail channel actually means? We as a Godrej are producers. We produce quite a few things. So it has to be sold. It needs to be reached to consumers. So there are quite a few means through which it will reach. So what we have adopted is a distribution channel. We appoint distributors. Distributor in turn will pass on the material to retailers. That is the sales point, and in turn consumer can buy it from there and use our products. So the first and very important chain in the chain is distributor. So if I get a right distributor, my more than half of the work is done. I'll get his expertise. I'll get his channel. I'll get his experience, and we can do well. So selecting a right distributor with right kind of background, knowledge of market, and the first and foremost very important thing is financially strong. Distributor needs to hold material. स्टॉक करना पड़ता है, सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. तो इफ इज नॉट फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग, इट इज गोना हैम्पर अस कि राइट टाइम पे मटेरियल नहीं होगा और whatever things that we want to promote won't be available in the market at right point of a time. So you should be very financially strong. Serviceability is the one thing. What all aspects that serviceability covers is material needs to be dispatched, material needs to be made available to retailers whenever they require. All the basics of material, price list, any schemes that we are offering, everything needs to be communicated at right point of time. And last and most important thing is market reputation. अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का मार्केट रेपुटेशन अच्छा नहीं होगा, योर प्रोडक्ट इज गोना सफर अ लॉट. वी आर पीपल, ह्यूमन नेचर कभी चेंज नहीं होता. अगर उसका रेपुटेशन अच्छा नहीं है, the retailer will let go of the product, but he will not deal with that particular distributor. So he needs to have a very good reputation. So distributor needs to be very strong. आपने वो कर दिया, you have won almost half of the battle. Coming next would be retailers. It is where जहाँ पे अपना प्रोडक्ट शो होता है एंड कंज्यूमर को. इट इज वेयर द कंज्यूमर विल वॉक इन एंड बाय आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो एक बहुत टर्म है, एक ग्राउंड रूल है जो विच आई हैव ऑलवेज फॉलोड इन दिस ऑलमोस्ट 12 years प्लस जो मेरा रिटेल का एक्सपीरियंस है उसमें, कि भाई जो दिखेगा वही बिकेगा. Unless and until you show your product, you make your product available in the market, वो नहीं बिकेगा. So being in sales, I have to take care of visual merchandising also. Where is my product placed, उसका स्टोर में मेरा प्रोडक्ट कहाँ पे है, whether it is at a high level or anything. So it's a very common thing, जो दिखेगा वो बिकेगा. Whenever you all go to the market, आप लोगों को जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं, राइट, एज ऑफ नाउ इम्पल्स बाइंग इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. सो अगर प्रोडक्ट काउंटर पे, शेल्फ पे या स्टैंड्स पे अच्छे से प्लेस नहीं है, इफ इट इज नॉट क्लीन, if you are not able to see it once you enter the store, your product won't do good. So it is very very essential कि जो दिखेगा वही बिकेगा. Again, maintaining MOP. What is MOP? It is market operating price. अगर if a customer goes to multiple shops to inquire about our product और हर शॉप में अलग प्राइसिंग मिलेगा, तो customer will lose faith in our product. So that is a very very essential thing that needs to be maintained by the company's people or me and my team, and it is very challenging. What happens is as a customer, if I can see a brand, I have a fixed price on our products, but there are quite a few products with the retailers which are on a very high margin, जिसका कोई MRP नहीं होता है. So what they will do is they'll offer heavy discount on the brands, and cover it up with other products. So maintaining this MOP is a very, very hard task that we need to do, but it is a very essential product. Third thing is grabbing mind share of retailers. Again, why would a retailer sell my product? Definitely, first thing that comes into mind is margin. उसको margin मिलेगा, वो पैसा कमाएगा. Yes, but he has thousands of products to deal with. So why would he focus on my product? So you have to grab the mind share of the retailer. It can be done through regular training programs. We can give schemes, promotions, etc. So as of now in the market after the COVID situation, I don't know how about schemes will what schemes will offer. We are working on it, but previously we used to give schemes like foreign trips. We used to give schemes like cashback offers and everything. So continuously have to do this sort of activities, grabbing the mind share. Whenever we launch a new product, we we ensure that it's a kind of a celebration. We take dole, tarashas, nagaras, and everything, and go to retailers' outlet. We make them feel special. That you are the one जिसके लिए हम लोग ये सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. So these are very essential thing of basically retail marketing. Again, BTL activities. I'd like to clarify on two things. There are two activities that happens at companies level. One is ATL and one is BTL. So what is ATL activity? ATL is above the line activities. All those television ads, all those PR activities that has been done by companies at the head offices level or on a national level are a part of ATL activities. But BTL activities are responsibility of branches, are responsibility of local team maintaining here. So what are these BTL activities? You must have seen people standing up. मॉल में जाते हैं या कोई भी डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर वगैरह में भी जाएंगे, you will see people wearing uniforms and trying to run after you for taste test or giving you demos of the product. These are all part of BTL activities. And why it is required? BTL activities will ensure that your awareness about your products is reaching. It will give confidence to your retailers also. Okay, but yes, company is doing something at my point, to generate sales. He'll earn money out of that sales. What we will get is we'll get mind share of that retailer. We'll generate awareness. We'll develop future customer for that retailers. So all these things are very, very essential. Taking part in exhibitions, related exhibitions, print and digital marketing. Okay, I might be clashing over here. कि print and digital marketing तो आपने बोला कि वो ATL activities का part है, but yes, it's a part of local activations as well. So I was just chatting up with Nandini and someone other before the start of the event. कि what has COVID taught us? So during this COVID situation, all these BTL activities have came to standstill. There are no brandings, there are no exhibitions happening, there are no public gathering happening. And BTL activity without public gathering is very, very difficult. But that is where we catch in all the eyeballs. So what we have started doing is we have started conducting the webinar. The similar kind of webinar that we are facing. So we have started conducting webinars to different associations, to different societies. We have RWA over here, resident welfare associations. So we do that. So we have started doing that. So this COVID, apart from all the negativities and everything, has taught us quite a few things. Okay, how do we do it? We haven't stopped working, right? अब किसी ने भी काम बंद नहीं किया है. Nobody is sitting ideal. Everybody is working on it. So this COVID will not stop us doing things. It has made us creative to be on fire. Being in retail, the closeness to customer was the main thing that we were looking for, और वही खत्म हो गया. We are not allowed to have closeness to customer. हम उनके पास नहीं जा सकते. Distancing is the new norm. So this COVID has taught us quite a few things: how to manage shows, without being, getting close to customers. So we are doing that. We have there's one industry. I'll definitely take some time over here, and I'll share my experience during this COVID situation. Okay, there is an industry which is very very severely impacted because of this COVID, and that is tours and travel companies. All you must be you all will agree to it. Definitely, they are very deeply impacted. और आगे कितने टाइम तक impact रहेगा, it's not certain. Okay, even after COVID, we will not travel that what we used to do. So what we have done is we contacted those associations. Every industry have associations. We contacted that associations and tried to offer them a solution wherein they can, in this free time or whatever the tough time they are facing, all the new products that I've told you earlier, we are coming down to health marketing. So UV boxes, thermal cameras, and everything. So everybody will require that once this COVID is getting over. जैसे जैसे अनलॉक आता जा रहा है, this is unlock 2.0, तो malls are started getting operational, offices are getting operational. So this all products will required. So we offered them a solution wherein they can provide. They have tours and travels have contact with quite a few companies. They have a particular fixed set of customers where they can go and pitch these products. So definitely उनको ये idea पसंद आया and they found a new way to generate income. So along with them, we are organizing webinars, marketing activities and everything. सो एक दरवाजा बंद होता है तो चार और खुल जाते हैं, जो टर्म्स होते हैं. तो जस्ट कीप योर थिंकिंग कैप ऑन एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट मोर एंड मोर वेज ऑफ फाइंडिंग टू प्रमोट योर प्रोडक्ट्स टू जनरेट सेल्स. एंड द लास्ट एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कंज्यूमर और द कस्टमर, जैसा हम बोलते हैं. बीइंग इन सेल्स फॉर 15 years, मैंने कई बार सुना है कि कस्टमर का लिटरल मीनिंग होता है जिसके कष्ट कभी खत्म नहीं होते. सो दैट इज कस्टमर. बट वी आर हैविंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ प्रूविंग दैट रॉन्ग एंड वी शुड डू इट. टू एन एक्सटेंट आई हैव डन इट. तो सेल्स में होना, बीइंग अ सेल्समैन इज नॉट ओनली सेलिंग कि दे दिया बेच दिया, नहीं. यू हैव अ वेरी high responsibility towards your customer. You should be loyal to them. So word of mouth is a thing that we look forward from every customer. If his experience is good, if the product has performed well, this word of mouth will do wonders for you. So the last thing over here, customer, जो मैंने आपको बताया था, fifth people. So these are the people we should we should never ever neglect. So what are the things for customers that we do, what are the challenges that we face, is first of all profiling the target audience. Not every person is your customer. तो आपका जो target audience है, you need to profile who is your maximum target audience. Be at right place at right time. My product is related to security. I am selling safes, I am selling CCTV cameras. So it's basically a fear. There's a fear aspect which allows my product to get sold in the market. So what do I mean by be at right place at right time? It's a very essential part of our daily routine for me and my entire team. We do keep a track of burglaries that have happened. Maybe it is through newspapers, mainly it is through newspapers or televisions or whatever, word of mouth or anything. So if kahin bhi kuch bhi, if there's a burglary happened, we ensure that we reach that particular area or we reach that particular society, apartments or whatever, and we promote our products. It is not that कि उनके वहाँ पे हुआ and we take it as an opportunity, but yes, we do provide solutions to them कि भाई अगर किसी के साथ हो सकता है तो आपके साथ भी हो सकता है. So be cautious about it, and precautions are always better than cure. दूसरा, be at right place at right time comes to retailers as well. कि जो रिटेलर्स का है, वी नीड टू गिव अ गुड कवरेज टू आवर प्रोडक्ट. My product should be placed in a decent number of retail outlets so that consumer can have a look at them. So be at right place at right time also covers those retailers, and there are retailers in every areas. If I give an example, I have handled Ahmedabad also for quite a few time. So my example would be based in Ahmedabad. A retailer at Gandhi Road and a retailer at Satellite, जो उसका वॉक इन कस्टमर है या जो प्रोफाइल ऑफ द कस्टमर है, इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट. सो select outlet, select display. The kind of profiling that particular shop has, you have to select your products accordingly. My product ranges from 6,000 and it ranges to 6 lakhs. So what kind of product to display, what products would be liked by the consumer that walks in. So we have to be selective on that also. The next point that I'm covering is online market. Yes, after COVID, this online market will definitely grow, but it is a challenge for us to, beat this online market. More or less, I can say it's a nuisance for the local channel, but we cannot avoid that also. Coming ahead, I must say that everybody here कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं सबने ऑनलाइन परचेजिंग तो किया ही है और कर भी रहे हैं अभी. So coming generation would prefer this online market, but offline, the kind of audience, the kind of population that we have, अपना offline market कभी भी खत्म नहीं होगा. So that is also a challenge कि online market के साथ कैसे करना है. So we do strategize on that as well. I've already covered before and after sales. After sales, so everybody knows कि भी product पहुंचा है, guarantee, warranty, any service issues that we need. But what is before sales service? Before sales service is giving demos to customer, explaining the product, giving training to retailer also is a before sales service. कि impulse buying जब होता है, if my product is at a particular outlet, people would inquire about my product. A person standing there, if he's not able to explain my product nicely to that customer, it is definitely gonna hamper my sale or the impression of my product. Again, the word of mouth comes into the picture over here. So that is a part of before sale service. So these are all the things, जो ये सब कुछ day to day challenges that I face in this profile that I'm handling right now. So nothing more in this, but how do you do that? ये सब कैसे करना है? मतलब अब जो भी चीजें मैंने आपको बताई, how do I manage? No doubt it's common sense, but how this common sense can be developed, since you all will be starting your journey to to do this management trainings and learn about all these things. So I'm not a professor, I'm not gonna teach you any bookish knowledge, but whatever slides that you'll see now are my experience that I've gained in IIB, EBM, or out of this 15 years of experience. So management, starting on this, is management is not is equal to analysis. You might be very good in analysis. You will get quite a few tools, techniques to analysis all your products. तो analysis just an ingredient in the recipe. जैसे मैंने बताया आपको कि there are quite a few things that we need to do. Distributor का profile, retailer का profile, customer का profile. These are all part of analysis. But कितना भी अच्छा analysis होगा आपके पास, अगर if people are not taking you seriously, it is of no value. It is absolutely of no value. The next line that you'll read is, too often talented people with best answers sit in the back of the room while hacks run the show. आप लोगों को काफी ये चीजें समझ में आई होगी जब स्कूल में बैक बेंचर्स होंगे, काफी लोग होंगे बैक बेंचर्स आई गेस. सो बेस्ट आंसर्स आर एट द बैक. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट दैट, there is no use of the analysis that has been made by you. तो अगर पीछे से व्यू आपको अच्छा लगता है, you want to just sit back, relax, you don't want to contribute, you don't want anyone to listen to you, this MBA will do nothing for you. So this MBA things will help you to transform. अगर आप transform नहीं हो सकते, this MBA degree won't do anything. And why am I emphasizing on transform is, I'll give you a very good example. A few days back, one of the directors of IIBM, Mr. Jay Marwa, called me, and it was a very pleasant and a surprise call for me. Well, after a very, very long time, I had a word with you. And believe you me, the first thing that I thanked him is because I transformed myself during those MBA, during that period I was with him. Not less than twice or thrice I thanked him कि सर डेफिनेटली जो IBM में सीखा है to help me transform. जैसा मैं आया था वैसा निकला नहीं वहां से, and thank God on it. Otherwise यहाँ पे मैं होता नहीं. Whatever things that I am doing, I won't have been doing that. So you have to transform. Whenever you'll start your journey has already started, I guess, with all these inductions and the wonderful activities that college has managed to do it. So it is already on that. But believe me, you have to transform. Start speaking if you are not speaking, and do the best. अब जो चीजें मैंने आगे आपको बताई कि क्या हो सकता है और क्या नहीं, तो आइंस्टाइन, a very very great personality, a very very great renowned scientist, but he would have been a terrible manager as per me. मतलब manager has to communicate, he has to say, he has to make people follow him. Einstein would not have been doing it. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा, don't get me wrong, कि dumb people will succeed every time. And the Masons, what is this Masons? Masons are a group of people with a very very high IQ. It is not always those Masons will make it to top. An average intelligence, a common sense, that's it. That is what you require. Nothing more. And this MBA will teach you that only. Eyebrows ऊपर हुए कई लोगों के ना. Bill Clinton would have been an excellent manager. मतलब just go through YouTube videos, just listen to how he speaks. मतलब he was a terrible communicator. He was not a terrible communicator. I'm so sorry. He was an excellent communicator. मतलब he made people follow him. So we have to learn from all these personalities, and we have to absorb out of them. This man has his own faults, but I won't touch that point. But the communication that he used to do was excellent. Don't lose touch with what is right. Being for almost 10 years in Godrej, this is the thing that I've absorbed in this company, and I'm very very fortunate to work with this sort of company. This company allows me if something wrong is happening, or if I think there is something wrong, I'll stand up and say it immediately. So I won't allow anything that is coming wrong in my path. So you should have that guts with you. You should absolutely have that guts with you. You should have that gumption in yourself. What is gumption? Gumption is basically the courage. Believe in your ideas. कि भाई हो सकता है. I've given an example of Art Fry. You all must be aware of this post-it notes by 3M. This Art Fry has to go through a hell lot of convincing to this to 3M management to allow it and introduce this product in the market, and rest is history. So anything, any ideas, any beliefs that you have to take them seriously, and then only others will take it seriously. So you have to have that courage to stand and say, nahi, this is right, this is wrong as per me, and you should have the analysis after that, why you think like that. And I mentioned one more example of Mr. Thomas Watson. He was a chairman of IBM, and he said once that the world market for computers is maybe 5 computers at that point of a time. Just think what was his guts about that. So you have to have that gumption. You need to be stubborn. If you want people to listen, you have to be stubborn, nothing else. And this is out of experience that I'm telling you. uh, any organization working for 10 years, so I must be knowing in and out of that organization now. So there are quite a few instances I was stubborn, I was taken on a very wrong way, but I didn't lose my cool and I didn't lose my point. Okay, this is to be done this way, this has to be done this way. And believe you me, once you succeed, nobody is gonna remember that. So you have to have that courage, you have to have that balls in you to stand in front of your top management and tell them, hey boss, whatever you are telling me, I think it can be done on this way. So be diplomatic and have that courage, not only in your jobs, in your life as well. So uh, any professor, anyone teaching you, and if you feel okay this is not right, if you feel you have another way of looking at the things, please be vocal and tell. The most important thing is stay current. Upgrade yourself continuously. These are very few things. These are 5 things that I came across my mind when I was making this slide. Uh, and I'll be very very बोलो ईमानदारी से बोलता हूँ कि इसमें से कई चीजें मेरे पास भी नहीं है. I don't have a blog, but I definitely feel that one should have a blog, and I'll work on it. And I'll definitely have my blog. Adding a screenshot to a PowerPoint presentation. It's not just about screenshot. You should experiment this. This is a very, very good tool. This PowerPoint presentation is a very, very good tool to present yourself. Whatever you think, you can express in many different ways. You can add screenshots, pictures, presentations, animations, and there is no limit to it. Free ebook. Ebooks are available on a paid basis, but you should know how to download a free ebook. It is very, very essential now. I'm not telling you to, I'm not encouraging any kind of piracy, but there are quite a few means and ways where you can get these ebooks for free. So research on that, how to limit your Google search to PDF file, PPT files. And have you modified a Wikipedia page? So just, things list can be endless, but you have to be current. You have to stay current, be updated. And अभी के time पे the kind of tools, technologies is available, it is very easy. It's just about your willingness. So you have to stay current, be updated, reinvent yourself. Again, I've given an example of a renowned person, Benjamin Franklin. He was a printer, scientist, inventor, civic activities, a hell lot of things he used to do. So labels are nothing. I might be a GM in B2C, but I handle visual marketing also. I handle service also. So if anything that comes across and it's demanding in your profile, grab it. Do not stop yourself. कि नहीं ये मेरा काम नहीं है, I won't do it. Something or the other you learn out of it. So constantly reinvent yourself. There are a list of things that is, there are endless list of things that you can learn being in your profile. So anything that comes across, please grab it. Smart risk. Why are you all doing this MBA program? Might be desire to outgrow, jumpstart your career. Don't lose that. I've seen quite a few people losing that during this tenure or after this tenure. कि मार्केट अच्छा नहीं है, कोविड के बाद मुझे पता नहीं क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. The world is not gonna end, guys. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि पैंडेमिक पहली बार आया है. The world has faced quite a few pandemics. The last known pandemic that I can have ever heard of was 1918, Spanish influenza. तो वो भी काफी था, 2 साल तक चला था. Still we are here. So there is no looking back. This pandemic will teach us quite a few things. There is a bright career out ahead. So don't lose that, and always take smart risk. If you want to op a job, if you want to switch a job, please do it. There's no harm in it, but take smart risk. You have to, or else you will not grow. Don't stop dreaming. I have nothing much to say about this. कि भाई again an example of a very renowned man, Narayan Murthy. He was a typical middle class, he was from a typical middle class family. अगर उसने नहीं सोचा होता इन्फोसिस बनाने का तो nothing would have been done. But he's one of the top 10 admired CEOs now. So don't stop dreaming whatever you dream. We talk about our visions a lot, but we do not talk about our dreams. So please do, and do not stop dreaming. So I'll leave you all with a small video. Just give me a second. I'll just play that. And that would be about it. Any question and answers that you must have given to Nandini, I'm open to answer that after that.
It was really an insightful session, sir. We have a chat box with the questions, and
I'll be glad to answer all those.
yes. So here's the first question. We know that almost all of the verticals took a hit in the current scenario. Right?
Absolutely.
So we would like to know, as the security solution, as a vertical, what do you think? How it is responding to the current situation?
Um, Definitely to the current situation, if I tell you, the business has impacted, no doubt about it. But you must have, heard me saying that we have explored new ventures. We are into health security now. It was never been thought of in 10 years. और अगर ये पैंडेमिक नहीं होता तो आगे 10 साल तक भी शायद हम लोग नहीं सोचते हेल्थ सिक्योरिटी में जाने का. So it
Correct.
was, out of the brainstorming among us, among our teams, among with top management, ki what is to be done. Definitely, business is gonna be hampered in coming few months as well. You never know कि COVID कब जाएगा, कब वैक्सीन आएगा, कब इम्यूनिटी बढ़ेगा लोगों का और कब जाएगा. तो business has impacted, but has opened doors. Like मैंने बताया आपको, tour and travel operators have started doing business with us. So
Correct.
ऑडियंस आपका है, पॉपुलेशन आपके पास है, टारगेट ऑडियंस अभी भी है, लोगों को सिक्योरिटी अभी भी चाहिए, बट प्रायोरिटीज हैव चेंज्ड. सो इट इज नॉट दैट कि मार्केट विल डाई, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू वेंचर्स. बिलीव मी और नॉट, अ प्रोडक्ट जो अभी तक हमने लॉन्च नहीं किया है, जो प्रोडक्ट अभी एट द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ आने वाला है, जिसका कैटलॉग हमारे पास नहीं है. द नंबर्स दैट आई हैव बुक्ड इज मोर देन 2 crores एडवांस बुकिंग. अभी मैंने प्रोडक्ट लोगों को दिखाया नहीं है. Just imagine the potential that is lying after I'll get hands on that product. So it's a new product. It's a UV box. जो अल्ट्रावायलेट बॉक्स है डिसैनिटाइजेशन के लिए, जो आपका जितना भी डिसइंफेक्ट करने के लिए. सो अभी नो कैटलॉग, नो प्रोडक्ट, नो फिजिकल. मैं किसी के पास जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ उसका डेमो देने के लिए. एंड एडवांस ऑर्डर दैट आई हैव बैक्ड इज ऑफ 2 crores. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. बिजनेस विल इम्पैक्ट, स्मॉल टाइम थिंग, आता है जाता है, हर वक्त एक जैसा नहीं रहता. सो डेफिनेटली.
So basically, it's the time we take the course and then wait for the.
Yes, it's the time we take the course, and every negative will have a positive on the other side. So COVID ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया है जो आगे चल के बहुत कुछ काम आएगा.
And we have the question on the same line. How do you, manage to keep yourself so positive in this time with all of these difficulties and everything? So.
देखो, मैंने बताया था डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट आई हैव अ टीम ऑफ 65 people. If I am negative, all those people are negative. To jokes apart, you have to be positive. In this COVID situation, from 3rd May, I'm daily going to office. जो precautions आपको लेने हैं वो लेने हैं. I have 65 of my very close team members working with me. I have 800 plus retailers. Customers की list तो endless है. I have Coco stores, company owned, company operative stores. I have 15 कोको स्टोर्स दैट आई मैनेज. तो इतने सारे लोग हैं, पॉजिटिविटी अपने आप आ जाती है. एवरीबडी इज फाइंडिंग द वे आउट. एवरीबडी इज फाइंडिंग द वे आउट टू सर्वाइव इन, नॉट इन सेंस ऑफ फिजिकल सर्वाइव, बट एवरीबडी नीड्स टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सबको डर है एक अंदर ना अभी के क्या होगा, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ द कंपनी, जॉब रहेगा नहीं रहेगा. आई विल बी वेरी ब्लंट ऑन दैट. सो यू हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिविटी आप अपने फैमिली के साथ हो, उससे अच्छी और क्या पॉजिटिविटी चाहिए आपको. इमेजिन करो कभी इतना लंबा वैकेशन मिला है आप लोगों को? नहीं ना. आप फैमिली के साथ हो फिर भी काम हो रहा है. संडे मॉर्निंग को बैठ के ऑल ड्रेस्ड अप गिविंग यू अ प्रेजेंटेशन. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑन द अदर साइड आल्सो मस्ट बी ड्रेस्ड अप. यू नेवर इमेजिन दोस ना. संडे को इट्स अ वेरी लेजी इवनिंग मॉर्निंग, बट यू आर ऑल डूइंग इट. दिस इज पॉजिटिविटी. इससे अच्छी पॉजिटिविटी और क्या आएगा?
We have the next question here, wherein, sir, as you must be knowing that we are facing a major difficulty in supply chain management also. The logistics part of the business is facing a lot of difficulties. So how do you manage those, the difficulties in supplying of goods from maybe your warehouses to your, the stores and everywhere? So we would like to know that also. That how you are managing.
I'll start from once lockdown खत्म हुआ था. It started from unlock 1. So जब मटेरियल का रिक्वायरमेंट आया मार्केट से, we wanted to supply a few of the materials in the market. तो सबसे पहला चैलेंज क्या था, जब वेयर हाउस को फोन करते थे, सर ट्रक खड़ा है, ड्राइवर नहीं है. तो डेफिनेटली इट वाज द सिचुएशन. बट उसमें हुआ क्या कि अगेन चीजें सिखाती हैं. तो what my warehouse did was my warehouse is in the vicinity wherein there are quite a few warehouses of other companies as well. जो आज तक कभी नहीं हुआ वो अब हुआ था कि ये सारे warehouse इकट्ठा हुए और जिसके पास जैसा लॉजिस्टिक था, जिसको जैसा काम पड़ता था, they used to share that. मतलब गोदरेज और वर्लपूल का सामान एक ही ट्रक में जा रहा है, आप सोच सकते हो. तो ये पेंडेमिक ने सिखाया हमको. ये चीजें पेंडेमिक ने सिखाई हमको कि भैया दो कॉम्पिटिटर कंपनी भी एक ही लॉजिस्टिक यूज कर रही है. उसका हाफ ट्रक था तो हाफ ट्रक गोदरेज का आ गया और किसी कंपनी का आ गया, एंड थिंग्स वर मैनेज्ड. सो डिफिकल्टीज डेफिनेटली थी सप्लाई चेन में, बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली अभी इट्स ऑलमोस्ट नॉर्मल. मतलब वेयर हाउसिंग से डिस्पैचिंग एंड लोडिंग अनलोडिंग इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल नाउ. Apart from areas like Mumbai, Delhi, थोड़ा सा issue होता है, but things are managed there also.
Right, so a new normal again.
A new normal again, yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So ultimately इससे हुआ क्या है कि warehouse ने अपना cost drastically reduce किया ना. पहले जो हाफ ट्रक जाता था, कॉस्ट इज बीन शेयर्ड बिटवीन कंपनीज, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर पॉइंट से भी वही हुआ है. तो यू नो थिंग्स आर शेयर्ड. इट हैज taught us something which is going to be continued for long now.
Correct. The next question is, as you handle, a wide or a very vast area when it comes to your profile and everything, we would like to know what are the steps do you follow to avoid territory encroachment?
Territory encroachments in what sense are you talking about? Like दिल्ली वाला चंडीगढ़ में बेच देता है, चंडीगढ़ वाला जम्मू में बेच देता है, वो सब. तो देखो होता ही है. उसमें ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आता है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिक्योरिटी में, जो सीसीटीवी एंड वो सब मार्केट जो हैंडल करता हूँ. इट डेफिनेटली हैपेंस देयर, बट वी कंट्रोल एमओपी वेरी स्ट्रिक्टली. अगर आपका एमओपी मार्केट ऑपरेटिंग प्राइस अगर आपने स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो किया है और मार्केट में वो चल रहा है, तो टेरिटरी एनरोचमेंट करके किसी को कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. अब a person sitting in Delhi wants to sell in Chandigarh, so it will be an additional cost to him of logistics, transportation, material पहुंचाना. तो we have created a challenge for that person. क्या बेच दो, आपको तो cost तो उतना ही मिलना है वहां पे भी. You won't get anything out of it. You will add to your cost only. दूसरा, there are strict ways and means of it. कि I have distributors in multiple distributors in single area. जैसे जलंधर में I have two distributors, लुधियाना I have 2 distributors. तो retailers encroachment होता है कई बार. So we are very strict to it. We are strict with retailers also. We are strict with distributors also. If any case pops up, तो पेनल्टी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को तो जाती ही जाती है. जो रिटेलर ने किसी और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से लिया उसको भी जाती है पेनल्टी कैसे जाती है? वी ऑफर लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम्स टू रिटेलर्स. उनका टर्नओवर स्कीम्स रहता है, सब कुछ रहता है. तो वी एलिमिनेट दैट वैल्यू टोटली आउट ऑफ देम. और सबसे मेन बात ये एंट्रोचमेंट रोकने के लिए है कि being in company, me and my team has to work very closely with retailers and channel partners. अगर वो ग्रिप आपके पास है, you will come to know everything. बोलते हैं ना कि एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिलता मेरे परमिशन के बिना. वो सिचुएशन लेके आनी पड़ेगी आपको.
That was very inspiring actually, and so basically it's a very strict protocol wherein the company also doesn't allow you to act, and then there is your own.
अब इसमें चैलेंज कहाँ पे आता है? अगेन I'll elaborate a bit कि I am a brand selling a product with a fixed MRP everywhere, it's same. So I have a channel called hardware. जो हार्डवेयर के मार्केट जहाँ पे नट, स्क्रू, बोल्ट्स, हैंडल्स वगैरह जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं, वो एक मेरा बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट चैनल है जहाँ से मेरे ये सेफ्स एंड ऑल दोस बिकता है वहां से. तो मेरा सेफ इज अ वेरी फ्यू ब्रांडेड प्रोडक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टोर सेल्स. अभी किसी स्क्रू का, किसी हैंडल का एमआरपी नहीं होता है. तो उनका ऑपरेशन कैसा रहता है कि कोई भी कस्टमर आता है वो ब्रांड में डिस्काउंट ज्यादा ऑफर कर देता है, क्योंकि उसके पास नॉन ब्रांडेड बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसमें वो मार्जिन कमा सकता है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. कोई भी केस हाथ में आता है, अगेन यू हैव टू पीनलाइज दैट रिटेलर, और उसको भी आपको वेरी पोलाइटली करना पड़ता है. क्योंकि अगर आप इफ यू स्टार्टेड बीइंग अ बॉस और दादागिरी करने लोगोगे तो कोई फिर पूछेगा नहीं दोबारा आपको.
So what will you do if the customer is really rude or unruly and being very confronting? What will you do in that case?
Customers will be rude, पर कस्टमर का रूडनेस कब बाहर आता है? जहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं आपका फेलियर होगा तभी कस्टमर रूड होगा. इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. Nobody has that sort of a time कि कोई भी छोटी सी, कस्टमर्स आर वेरी फॉरगिव. मतलब वो बहुत जल्दी छोड़ देता है, भूल जाता है चीजों को. इफ यू आपने उसकी अगर गलत नस दबाई तो वो तो चिल्लाएगा. सो इट हैपेंस. A very recent case that I'll tell you during this lockdown itself कि I deal in safes. अगर just imagine करो, अगर emergency में वो सेफ नहीं खुला तो क्या होगा, और उस सेफ के अंदर क्या रखते हैं लोग. So my service team along with my team were working day in and day out. Again, physically तो possible था नहीं. So we were on video calls with customer resolving how to open the safe. उसको हाथ में स्क्रू ड्राइवर पकड़ा कि हम उसको बता रहे थे कि कैसे खोलना है. How can you break open those safes as well? So you have to make yourself approachable. आप in terms of company, आपका सर्विस डिविजन, आप सेल्स में है तो आपको सर्विस से लेना देना ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, आपको वो चीज भी देखना पड़ेगा। सो
करेक्ट।
वही मतलब हॉलीडेज सबके लिए होगा, शायद मेरे लिए नहीं था, नॉट फॉर माई टीम एज वेल। ये nothing less than what 10 calls a day we used to get in as a customer कि बैटरी खत्म हो गया, how do I change a battery, as simple as that. There are very many old people who are my customer, aged people कि भी अभी खुल नहीं रहा है, कोई घर पे नहीं आ पा रहा है, I don't know how to operate it, तो we need to help them out. हमने
Correct.
videos our company has created videos, posted it on YouTube's, things are done. और कस्टमर बोलता ना, मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था, कस्टमर इज द वन जिसके कष्ट कभी खत्म नहीं होते।
Correct.
तो we need to resolve this as far as possible. और वही टाइम नहीं है आज के पास, आज के दिन में कस्टमर के पास टाइम नहीं है, बहुत फॉरगिविंग होते हैं, छोटी मोटी चीजें तो वो ध्यान भी नहीं देते। तो get your processes and get your people right, everything would fall in place.
So it's more about building bridges and
Yes,
instead of
absolutely,
walls.
absolutely. Building bridges, make yourself approachable. आपका अप्रोच बहुत इजी होना चाहिए। जस्ट इमेजिन अगर आप किसी टोल फ्री नंबर पे कस्टमर को 20 मिनट लग रहे हैं टू गेट थ्रू दी अदर पर्सन टॉकिंग ऑन दी अदर साइड, तो आपने कस्टमर का गलत नाम दबा दिया, खत्म हो गई बात। यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट कस्टमर टू टॉक टू यू नाइसली, तो आपने फर्स्ट स्टेप ही गलत ले लिया।
Right. True.
यू हैव टू सेट योर प्रोसेसेस राइट, दैट्स इट।
I hope all of the questions are being answered and people are happy with the answers.
I hope so.
But we have, yeah, we have another question. So, do you think the change in the customer behavior is a new normal? Do you think it will take an inversion after we get the vaccination? So, the customer is totally changed now. The buying behavior and pattern
Nothing
and
new.
everything is
I don't think so. जो बाइंग पैटर्न, जो बाइंग बिहेवियर है वो कोविड तक ही रहेगा। मतलब वी एज अ कस्टमर, आप अपने आप को खुद को अपने उस उस तरीके से देखेंगे, वी विल नॉट इम्प्रूव, अपने सुधरेंगे नहीं। तो कस्टमर वही होना है, बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं। तो अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आई एम स्टेइंग इन चंडीगढ़ एंड थिंग्स आर क्वाइट नॉर्मल एज ऑफ नाउ। कस्टमर अभी आ रहा है, पूछ रहा है, देख रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है। मतलब ठीक है, एक्सपेक्टेंसी अगर 10 कस्टमर की थी तो हम लोगों को 2 आ रहे हैं, बट थिंग्स आर गेटिंग नॉर्मल। जैसे ही ये डर खत्म होगा ना, एवरीथिंग वुड बी नॉर्मल, द सेम एज इट वाज अर्लियर। कोई इसमें लंबा चौड़ा कोई बिहेवियर, इमीडिएट बिहेवियर डेफिनेटली चेंज आया है, बट आगे चल के आई डोंट थिंक सो कि वो बहुत ज्यादा चेंज
right.
आया।
Inversion when it comes.
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो। 10-15% okay, otherwise 80-85% is going to be the same.
Great. So, sir, we want to know what is that one main thing which keeps you going on.
Salary,
One main
definitely.
thing
Jokes apart, the one main thing that keeps me going on or keeps my team or my company going on is we need to perform, that's it. You don't have any other way out of it. Just imagine, मैं एक बहुत वेग एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ। Okay, just imagine my wife would have been pregnant in this COVID situation. तो would have, कोई भी दुनिया की ताकत मुझे रोक सकती थी क्या? To get her treatment, to get her medicines, nothing ना। I would have find out solutions. तो might be pregnancy हो, मतलब these are the situations that people have faced. कोई भी बीमारी हो, if some aged person, तो nothing would have stopped you.
correct.
And that is why we have not stopped us also. You should never, मतलब it's a pandemic, दुनिया खत्म नहीं हुई है, alien invasion नहीं हुआ है, अभी बाकी है। So जब वो होगा तब देखा जाएगा। And live in today, जो गया वो खत्म, जो आएगा उसका सोचना और जीना तो अभी करंट में ही है। So we have to live in the current situation. You have to adopt yourself, nothing else. So enjoy all these things. उसमें कोई अब होगा, कोविड हो गया तो हो जाएगा ना, इट्स एन इन्फ्लुएंजा, सर्दी खांसी है। आप उसको सर पे लोगे तो मतलब बहुत बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है. आप जब whenever you all people will step into the premises, एक Nandini will definitely agree to me on this. You'll see, you'll listen to this quote very often. It's all in the mind.
Right.
So it is definitely all in the mind. मतलब आपको बुखार है वो भी आपके दिमाग में है, आप बीमार हो वो भी आपके दिमाग में है. So it's all in the mind, nothing else.
And that's what one thing we learned from IIBM, that it's all
Absolutely,
good.
it's all in the mind.
So we have one last question, and this is my personal question. I saw that you have traveled more than 10 countries, and I myself, being a travel enthusiast, I would like to know, I would love to know your experience and how did you manage? What was it? You traveled more than
Uh,
10 countries, right?
I have traveled to 10, almost more than 10 countries now. Thanks to my profile. मतलब आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड विद माय चैनल पार्टनर्स. मैंने जैसे बताया कि स्कीम्स में भी डू ऑफर फॉरेन ट्रिप्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग. मतलब आई हैव टू ऑफ माय पासपोर्ट्स दैट आर ऑलमोस्ट फिल्ड अप. थाईलैंड तो एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे शायद मेरे को मेरा पीआर मिल जाएगा अगर मैं करूंगा तो. आई हैव 20+ visas for Thailand. So I, and believe me, all those are with channel partners. All those are with retailers. I, uh, my wife must be listening. She'll kill me now. So it's a part of my job. But और जो टेरिटरी में हैंडल कर रहा हूँ
Yes.
वो भी जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल, इट्स ऑल माय टेरिटरी.
Beautiful place.
ब्यूटीफुल
Yeah,
प्लेसेस. सो वही है, अलॉन्ग विथ वर्क यू, अगर आपको ये बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं तो व्हाई नॉट.
correct.
तो एक्सपीरियंस
True.
डेफिनेटली ट्रैवलिंग टू अदर कंट्रीज, लर्निंग द कल्चर्स, तो नथिंग लाइक इट. पर वही है ना, सेल्समैन है हम लोग, हमको तो वहां पे भी कीड़ा आता है. हम तो वहां पे भी रिटेल आउटलेट्स घूम देख के आते हैं.
Kind of your job, like,
काइंड ऑफ माय
the,
जॉब. यस यस.
yeah, professional hazard.
प्रोफेशनल हैजर्ड्स. अब आदत हो गई है ना मैम. मार्केट में भी जाते हो ना तो होर्डिंग पे पहले नजर पड़ती है कि ये दुकान वाला क्या बेच रहा है.
Right, right. So, so being in the same vacuum or being in the same place, I would definitely relate to this when, go to the market, see some communication floating out from some brand, you have that tendency to go and check it
Go
out.
and check it. Yes,
Unless,
absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely.
so that, build up by the time. So, sir, it was really insightful session. I am
Thank you.
sure it opened up our thinking windows to a new vertical altogether. People over here, we were looking forward to many other verticals also, but this was a totally new vertical. We got insights on and we got a lot of knowledge about it. And at the end of the day, the goals are simple: safety and security.
Safety and security. That's it.
So, guys, be safe, follow the sanitation protocols and social distancing. Thank you for your time and everything. You
Thank
all
you.
have been a great audience. Thanks a
Thank
lot, sir.
you.
It was a lovely session.
Thank you.
Nice interacting.
Thank you.